And welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhisani and hope you are doing great. Today you are watching the Dr. Surbhisani Dental Series and Medical Videos channel. Already there are two WhatsApp group available separately, and that is for the dental jobs, and the another one is for the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Now what is the benefit of the NEET MDS 2023 counseling WhatsApp group? First, it is the fastest mode of information sharing. Second, the discussions are going on. Third, all the queries are discussed. Fourth, that will be the fastest mode to share the previous year analysis, right? Followed by the fifth, personal guidance is there, but only guidance, not any particular seat from my side, right? So keep this thing in your mind clearly. Now, today also I am going to talk about another questions which are related to the NEET MDS counseling, and that is asked by you only as a NEET MDS aspirant. So today we are going to talk about what are the seats or the colleges or the universities involved in the 50% state quota seats or the 50% state quota counseling. Right? And what is the role of domicile in a particular NEET MDS counseling? So this is the two main very important questions as a query coming from your side. So please, it's my humble request that you can watch this video till the end. Regarding you want to join any of the group or both of the group, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen as a sweet gesture. Now after that, from your side being a NEET MDS aspirant is whether the counseling will be conducted for the 50% state quota seats of the central universities also, and for which universities. Basically we want to know that the 50% quota seats, how we can get that and which colleges or universities are involved in it. Right? So yes, there is the separate counseling for the 50% quota seats as per the university eligibility and the conditions. It is conducted by the MCC of DGHS, that too the MOHFW for the DU, AMU, BHU, VMMC and Safdarjung Hospital, followed by the ABVIMS and RML Hospital and ESIC, followed by the BC Adrapur, and institutional preferences will be given to the candidates in 50% institutional quota. Definitely there is one point to note that the rules and regulations of the central universities will apply by MCC of DGHS, that is the only responsible authority for the allotment of seats. Followed by the MCC of DHS will be conducting the counseling for the 50% institutional quota seats of central institutions like VMMC or the Safdarjung Hospital, and for the ABVIMS and RML hospitals and ESIC Bisadrapur affiliated to the IP University. So I hope this will clear your queries that what are the seats or come under the category of the 50% quota, state quota seats. Now the second question is it required to confirm the domicile status before filling up the choices, and that too in case of the NEET MDS counseling? No matter you are the NEET MDS aspirant of 2023, 2024, 2025 or of any year, right? So basically they advise the candidates that candidates are advised to confirm their institutional eligibility before filling the or registering the choices, that too in NEET MDS counseling, that too on MCC website, and that too for the 50% institutional quota seats, that is for the central universities, central institutions, before opting for their seats. Institutional eligibility is more required rather than your domicile. So this will clear all your questions regarding the domicile role, that too in the 50% state quota seats, and that too in NEET MDS counseling. One more query from your side is whether upgradation is allowed from second round of counseling of deemed universities or the central universities, right? Or the DNB2 mop-up round counseling of DGHS for the central deemed university or DNB courses. So the answer is no. There is no upgradation available or allowed. So no upgradation is allowed once the candidate join a particular seat which is allotted in the round 2 of the deemed universities, central universities or the institutions or the DNB courses. So there is no upgradation afterwards, right? This video will be really helpful for you and it will solve all your queries. I hope you can watch this video and like this video by hitting the like button. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen, and follow me there as a sweet gesture, and you can ask for the link of any of the WhatsApp group you want. Thank you for watching.